Leadership is all about taking initiative. If you want to become a king, behave like a king.
The activities were very impactful. So many things we know, it's just that we don't incorporate it in the right way and the right environment and all. So I have so many learnings that I can carry back to my organization or personally. So I would definitely work on myself to be that leader.
So நம்ம எது லேக்கிங்ல இருக்கோம், what we have to improve. ஸோ அதுக்கு வந்து ஐ ஓப்பனிங் செய்யணும். ஒரு மெயின் டாப்பிக்காக இருக்கும், இல்லை லோ டாப்பிக்காக இருக்கும், எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து தெரியும். அண்ட் இட் மேட் எப்படி சொல்றது, ஒரு இன்ட்ராக்டிவ் செஷன் மாதிரி ஆச்சு.
Session was really different with a lot of modules and related to the as in family examples, and
you have given homework also. So anywhere that they are like when we sit there now, we will recollect what has happened. We have to write something. So the workshop is not done for one day. It still carries away. It's going to travel with us. So that is really a good idea of giving this.